How to move mobile contacts to Gmail account. So the first step is to simply open your Gmail app on your mobile device, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, and then simply tap on manage account. So you're gonna have to simply tap on your Google account, which is this button here. And then the next step is to simply swipe and then simply tap on people and sharing. Now here, scroll down, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on contact info from your device. Now the next step here is to simply enable this option, which is save contact info from your signed in devices. Now basically when you add a new contact to your mobile device, you're gonna be able to add it directly to this Gmail account that you enable this option from. So if you have multiple accounts, you can enable this option for all of them, and basically the new contacts will be saved on them automatically. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.